One of the most frequent questions I usually get is where to share YouTube videos. You won't be able to get a lot of views if you don't have a lot of subscribers on your channel. So if you want to get more views on your YouTube videos, you need to know where to share them. There are a lot of places and websites where you can share your YouTube videos in order to maximize the views and subscribers. You can begin by uploading your videos to your personal or business website. You may also request that your video to be promoted on some well-known blogs with large following or regular traffic. Send an email with a link to your most recent video uploads. More than 60% of marketers believe that email marketing campaigns are still effective and worthwhile. A simple link to your channel is an easy way of asking your members to subscribe to your channel. Use social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Regularly advertise your videos there. You should be aware of some of the rules and customs about video sharing on each one of those social media platforms. Facebook is like YouTube, allows users to upload videos. You can add video snippets to your Facebook page along with a link to the original YouTube video. To share with big Facebook communities, search for a video-related group and share with them. On Facebook, video reach has a far higher impact than picture or other posts. Facebook is an excellent place to grow your channel. TikTok is one of the most popular video sharing apps today. It is mostly targeted towards teenagers, but it is often used by adults. While TikTok is primarily used to share short videos, you can still use it to share snippets of longer videos and connect your YouTube channel to your TikTok account so that interested users can find your full videos and other content. A lot of businesses are using TikTok now to reach wider audiences. LinkedIn is now more than just a place to post your resume. It's a full-fledged professional social networking site where you can interact with colleagues, professional friends, prospective employers, and customers. The trick to making a good LinkedIn profile is to keep it updated, and videos are a great way to make your profile stand out. Pinterest is a popular social media marketing site. Unlike other social media platforms that cannot drive that much traffic, so Pinterest is a great place to get a lot of views quickly. Your video can be embedded directly into a Pinterest pin. It also functions as a search engine, despite the fact it is a social media platform. Pinterest is used by a large number of people, so do some keyword research before you publish a pin. You may also use other pages like Reddit. You will be able to attract a larger audience if you cover more ground. If you have a question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.